Hey girly girl, I want to be part of Project Pam. I've been seeing the girls ramp up, amp up Project Pan pretty much at the end of last year to this year. I really want to be a part of the community. So can I be a part of the community? Because baby, I got a lot of makeup that needs to be panned. So yeah, this bag is filled with makeup that is exclusively for my Project Pan. This is going to be a series, so this is episode 1 of my Project Pan series. So yes, I will go through everything in a separate video. But yeah, friend, this is the look that I came up with. How did she do? I think she looks gorgeous, darling, fabulous, all of the above. I'm going to give it to you every time. This is my page. Have you seen it? If you haven't, go check it. So yeah, friend, if you want to follow along with me in my Project Pan series and my journey, my first ever Project Pan journey, then follow my page. Hello, follow me, girl. Anyways, stay tuned because the look is looking. Love you. Okay, so for skin prep, I already did that off camera because, girl, save time. But I used the Merit Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. And for primer, I'm going to use this Smashbox Original Photo Finish. Clearly, I love her because, yeah, so she's already hit pan on her primer. But there's still quite a bit left. And I like to cut open products like this because there's still some left in there. Always cut open products like this. Okay? Especially in this economy. Amen? Amen. For foundation, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC full coverage correcting full coverage. Girl, it's the the SPF one. IT Cosmetics. Can we get a shorter name next time? I mean, this foundation is tea, but ooh, the name is long, honey. But yeah, look at that. Ooh, I love this foundation. Like butter. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie. And clearly she is hit pan, but I can still get more out because look. Period. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. This is, I think, my favorite, like, higher end concealer. I love this concealer. This is like concrete. But work kind of quickly with it because she does dry down. But yeah, Urban Decay, absolutely love this concealer. For contour, I'm using this Be Pure Glow Up Contour, Liquid Contour. This is from Dollar Tree. One of the best makeup products that came out of Dollar Tree. Look at that. Look how it just effortlessly, how do you say that word? It blends in real good. Blush, I'm using another one of my favorite products from Dollar Tree. This is the Liquid Blush in Warm Rose from Ioni. Y'all need to get up on Dollar Tree. Especially for products like this, contour and liquid blushes. RT. Ioni, call me. We can do a collection together. Yes. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Flower Setting Powder from Beauty Bakery in Oat. If I don't say like the names of stuff properly, trust me, it'll be written in the description, okay? That's one thing you can count on about me. I write everything in the description. Ooh, I can not get this in my eye. But yeah, check the description. Always. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I'm always going to hit pan with this because I use this every single time I do my makeup. Y'all already know. So yeah. But I do have a new one in a different color. I want to see if that color is going to work better for me. Because I feel like this one is just, it just runs too orange on me now. But yeah, she's always going to hit pan on this powder because Maybelline, she's that girl with this powder. Look at that. We just love when a powder just does what it's supposed to do and not make you look crinkled and aged. And what am I talking about? Anyways, yeah, I love this powder. Bye. Like, girl, what was I even trying to talk about in that last clip? Don't mind me. Anyways, to make myself look less powdery, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Perfect Oil Control Multitasking Setting Spray Matte Finish. Whew. But yeah, I love this spray. One of my favorites to use. For bronzer, I'm using the I Don't Give a Sip bronzer from Beauty Bakery. Clearly, I have already hit pan. Listen, I'm a bronzer girl, so I'm always going to hit pan on my bronzers pretty fast. Because, listen, I use bronzer like contour. Girl, I don't care if that's not what you're supposed to do, girl. It's my face, okay? But yeah, if you're looking for a good bronzer, she's your girl. I absolutely love Beauty Bakery. Like, look at that. Just instant warmth. Ooh! I love this bronzer so much. For contour, I'm going to use this Black Radiance Foundation Powder. And yes, I like to do both because bronzer gives warmth, contour is contour. So yeah, I like just to take it around the perimeter. Give me a little more oomph. Kind of like a little bit of an ombre. You see that? Yes. And don't sleep on Black Radiance. Black Radiance been around forever. Black Radiance is that girl. Yeah, shout out to Black Radiance. Hey, girls. It's blush time. Y'all know it's one of my favorite steps. And I'm using Hey Pumpkin from Black Radiance. I think this is probably like my second or third one of these because I love look at, do I need to say anything more? No, look at that. Yes, and we're gonna take this on the eye as well because come on now. How can I not look at that? Listen, Beauty Bakery, y'all gotta stop sleeping on Beauty Bakery, okay? Look at that, just perfect. But yes, I think this is probably like my second or third one of these because I'm obsessed with orange blush, and this is just like the perfect tone of just. You're welcome for this recommendation. And Beauty Bakery, hey, crap. For nose contour, y'all have seen this plenty of times. I've hit pan on this years ago. I just love the tone of this brown. Like, it's not overly warm, but it's not overly cool. It's like the perfect brown. And I don't know what I'm going to do or use when I finally use it all, because you can see there's still quite a bit in there. Send help, because I don't know what I'm going to do. So obviously I did quite a bit. So I'm going to tone this down with my face powder, but I'm just going to do it off camera at the same time. But yeah, I will probably have a funeral for this when I finally use it up. Y'all are invited. Make sure you bring flowers and some. I'm kidding. To brighten up my under eye a bit, I'm using 130 Buff Beige, the Fit Me powder from Maybelline. I don't know if you can see on camera, but like this side I put some on and this side I haven't. I don't know. It's like a subtle difference, but it helps to tone down my blush because y'all know I tend to go overboard with my blush. Mind your business. But yeah, I like putting this here. It helps to sharpen up my nose contour. But yeah, it just helps soften out my under eye, brightens it, and like I said, soften up my blush. You can see. Yeah, so if you have a little trouble with your under eye looking a little dark, you want to brighten it up, and obviously you don't want to overboard with concealer like I do, mind your business, take a little bit of a lighter powder under your eye. You see, it's bright. You're welcome for that tip. But yeah, I like to use a lot of concealer, but mind your business. Okay, so to help me get rid of that powdery look and to set my face, I'm going to use this Look on Lock setting spray from Hard Candy. Clearly, she's a favorite. But yeah, one of my favorites. And this is really cheap from the drugstore. I think this is only like $7 or $8. So if you need a good setting spray, she's your girl. Okay, so obviously I did my eyeshadow and eyebrows off camera. This is one of the eyeshadow palettes that I have exclusively for Pan Project Pan. I can't talk. Yes, this is one of the palettes that I have set aside for Project Pan. Anyways, this is the Clay Cool palette from ColourPop, one of my favorite and very underrated ColourPop palettes. This collection came and went super fast, but if you have this palette, you know this palette eats down, especially these mattes are tea. But anyways, so yeah, this is what I came with. I have to finish this side, but yeah, a nice little cute smoky eye for the first look, for the first episode of Pan Project Pan. Anyways, but yeah, I'll show everything that I have for Project Pan, because I have a whole like lot of products that I have just for Project Pan. I'm not going to use it for any other look, but yeah, it's what I came with. A cute little smoky eye. She's cute. Go watch the tutorial, because I did film a separate tutorial. So yeah, I got you, twin. I got you. Okay, friend, time for lips. I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses brown eyeliner. One of my favorites, and she's from, you know, the beauty supply store, so you know she's cheap. But the perfect shade of brown, like, look at that. It's a cool tone brown. I have another one that's from Ruby Kisses. Like, it looks just like this one, but it's a warm brown. Oh, let me start talking because I'm messing up. Hold on. For lipstick, this is the LA Colors Liquid Matte Lip Color in the color Suede. This is old, honey. I don't even know if they still make this anymore, but yeah. This was back when, you know, matte liquid lipsticks was like a thing. I think it's coming back, though. But look at that. Perfect cool tone lip, even though my eye look is like really warm. Maybe I should have done a warm lip. Girl, we're here now. Oh well. Whoopsies. I don't know. I'm a creature of habit. I love a cool tone lip. Sue me. Well, I actually don't, because I ain't got no money. Wait. Let's not claim that. I got money, just not for y'all. Okay, thank you. For lip gloss, this is from Milk. It's their Odyssey Lip Oil Gloss in the color Adventure. It's super pretty. Lots of glitter. I think it's like a multi-chrome or duochrome. Girl, I don't know, but it's really pretty. But yeah, it's an interesting doe fit too. Like, it's, I don't have anything like this. But it's, oh, such a gorgeous color. It's kind of goopy though. It smells so good. Oh, I just love when makeup just makeups. You know what I mean? Look at that. I mean, just so pretty. Okay, friend, that completes this first episode of Project Pan. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like the look that I came up with. She is gorgeous. She is everything. She's glowy. She's giving it to you, honey. Hello, have you seen my page? I'm going to give it to you every time. Anyways, thank you for watching, friend. Love you. So I want to be part of Project Pan. I've never taken part of Project Pan on any social media platform, but today's today, and she created this look, the first episode of my Project Pan. But I want to show you all that I'm using for my Project Pan. So she has a bag full of goodies, and this is only going to be for Project Pan. So whatever's in here, I'm not going to use for any other makeup look that you see me do in the future. This stuff is just for Project Pan. So you ready to see what's in here? And everything that's in here, I recommend. I love this stuff. It's been in my makeup stash for a minute. So you ready? You want to see what's in it? Okay, you ready? Okay, use it. Okay, so I know like Project Pan, you're typically supposed to use just like a few things at a time, but I wanted to give myself a little variety because I feel like using the same stuff over and over again would get boring for me and for you, because I do want this to be a little entertaining. So for each step, I do have multiple products, but they're on the verge of you know, being panned or being used all the way up. But anyways, so yeah, I have this e.l.f. setting spray. As you can see, it's almost gone. This LA Girl setting spray is halfway gone, and then one of my favorites from Hard Candy, that's almost gone. So yeah, let's move on. So for lips, I gave myself 2 lip liners. These are technically eyeliners, but girl, lip liners, they're brown. So yeah, 2 lip liners there. One is dark brown, one is just like a regular brown. So I have 2 liquid lipsticks and then 2 lip glosses. And then for toner, I got this from SheGlam. It came in the strawberry picnic set collection thing. So yeah, I'm going to use this as my skincare because I like to start off with skincare. I usually spray my face and go with like a moisturizer, then a primer. So this is the moisturizer that I'm going to use. And you can see it's super cute. It's really milky. My powders for my face, I'm going to use, it's like flying everywhere. This is the flower powder from Beauty Bakery. Absolutely love this. This one is in the color Oat, so it's their translucent one. One of my favorites. Love, 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 love this powder. Moving on to blushes and contours and bronzers. So for contour, I'm using this Black Radiance. As you can see, I already hit pan on this one. Love this for contour. For bronzer, this is from Beauty Bakery. Once again, I don't give a sip bronzer. One of my favorite ones. I think it's probably like my 3rd one. As you can see, I already hit pan. And this ColourPop blush, I got years ago. It's from their, for, what collection is it? I don't know. I think it's their Volunteer? Oh my god. I meant Valentine's Day. Volunteer? Their Valentine's Day collection? I guess, I don't know. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I've barely put a dent in this. And then one of my favorite blushes from Beauty Bakery. This is the Hey Pumpkin. This is like my probably like 3rd one of these. I love this blush so much. Highly recommend. My 2 primers that I'm going to use, this one is the e.l.f. Matte Putty. As you can see, she's definitely hit pan. I've had this for a while, but obviously it needs to be used up completely before I get a new one. I probably won't get a new one, because you know, anyways. So yeah, this is the Smashbox Photo Finish. It's the original one. Absolutely love this one. This one is great if you have large pores and acne scars because it's really silicone-y. It'll smooth out and it'll get in those like divots, and it'll smooth everything out and it'll blur really well. This concealer has bit the dust, but I can still scrape out a little bit more. Like you can see, I still got a little ways to go. But yeah, this is my favorite, like higher end, more expensive concealer. This is the Stay Naked Stay Naked Quickie from Urban Decay, one of my favorite concealers ever. Urban Decay, you did your big one with this one. But my other concealers, these are the Instant Age Rewind Eraser concealers from Maybelline. As you can see, I've already started on these. I don't really like the sponges on these, so I tend to just like take a brush and like scrape some off, because girl, these sponges, absolutely not Maybelline. Anyways, so I've used up some of this e.l.f. one. This is the hydrating one. I don't like what is the other one, the camo one, the regular one. Girl, that is, don't get me wrong, it's coverage, but girl, you gotta use it like within 2 seconds of putting it on your face. But yeah, the hydrating one is tea. For liquid blushes, I gave myself 2 options. One is obviously on the more orange side, and then one is on the pink side, because, you know, I like to flip-flop between the two. But y'all see, I'm an orange blush girly at heart. So yeah, this one is from Be Pure. It's from Dollar Tree. And this is from Dollar Tree as well as the Ione collection. If you see these at Dollar Tree, get these. These are 10 out of 10. Absolutely love these. And for contour, liquid contour, I'm using this, this is from Dollar Tree, and this is from Dollar Tree as well, the La Mercerie Flawless Finish Full Coverage Concealer. And then this is also Be Pure. It's like, it's from a collection, but this is their Glow Up Contour. Love this, but these components are awful. I don't know if you can tell, but this popped off today while I was in the process of doing this makeup. Yeah, not a fun time, but I do like these products from Dollar Tree. Highly recommend. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay foundation. It's the matte one, the matte finish. Love this. This color is so good on me. And then this is from It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum SPF 50. So yeah, these are the two foundations I'm going to be using for Project Pan. And to keep things, you know, like I said, fun, because I don't want to use the same stuff over and over again, these are the two palettes that are going to be in my Project Pan. This one I used today. This is from ColourPop. It's called Clay It Cool. One of my favorite and very underrated ColourPop palettes. It is gorgeous. A neutral lover's dream. Now, I don't know how much I'm going to get use of this. So this right here is a cream product. I've tried in the past to use this as an eyeshadow base. It didn't work out so great for me. I'll try again, but I may not use this at, hardly ever. But the rest of the shadows, obviously, yes. And then this, oh, my beloved from Profusion. This is the Mean Girls yearbook collab that they did. Obviously, I've hit pan on a lot of these, but I want to totally use up the eyeshadow palette. But yeah, I wanted to keep it a little spicy, and I want to do the same thing over and over again. So yes, but I can only create looks with these two palettes. Unless I just have to use something from a different palette, then I'm only going to use these two. But yeah, friend, that is everything I think that I'm going to use in my, oh no, oh, wait. Sorry, forgot. This is the mascara that I'm going to use. Is the Sky High from Maybelline. And then the eyeliner I'm going to use is the Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline Eye Pencil in black. Okay, now I think that's it. Besides, this, I hit pan on this all the time. But yeah, y'all see this regularly in my tutorials. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. And then for my nose contour, I've hit pan on this years ago. I've had this for so long. This is the Deep Tan Matte Bronzer from NYX. But I think that's officially it from all the products that I'll be using for my Project Pan. So yeah, if you want to see my journey, because this is going to be fun, I'm going to do like episodes. I'm going to call them episodes. But yeah, they're going to be tutorials. But I'm going to call them episodes, you know, a little zhuzhing up. But yeah, friend, if you want to follow me on my journey, make sure you obviously follow me on here and all my other socials, but definitely follow me on here because I'm going to be really getting into this, because I see the other girls with the Project Pans and they are tea. They do not play. Like this one girl, shout out to her, she has the Made by Mitchell curve case, and I think by now she's probably used it completely. And if you've never seen those curve cases they're deep. They have quite a bit of product, but she's used it all. Very, very tea. I'm trying to get like her. But anyways, friend, go check out the video that I did for my first Project Pan makeup tutorial episode, because I did this look from start to finish. Well, the eyeshadow tutorial is separate from that video, but everything else is in that video. But yeah, friend, thank you for watching. Love you.